How to buy Epic's Game gift cards. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll address your queries regarding the purchase of Epic's Game gift cards and whether it is feasible. As the official app of Epic's Game, you have the ability to explore, modify, and access various features such as checking the store, library, scores, discovering, browsing, and more. However, the main focus is on determining if you can purchase Epic's Game gift cards. Upon searching on the official website, it becomes apparent that there is no option available for buying gift cards. Similarly, searching on Google reaffirms this information that currently Epic's Game does not offer gift cards for the purchase. As of the recording of this video, the ability to buy gift cards from the Epic's Game is not supported. Remember that you can purchase games and other items within the games, but gift cards are not the option. This video aims to provide clarity on this matter. If you found this information helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more useful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.